test.
Well, hello everyone. I just wanted to show you some of the things that I did during the hurricane, when Hurricane Ike was coming through. We were getting some very strong winds, so I wanted to take some extra precautions to help secure my papaya plant. As you can see, I did some tied it down a bit, and from there to there. That way, it was any which way the wind was pulling, it would have been more secure. And since it's a relatively soft plant, I didn't want to have the pull spot to be in one particular location. This way, it evens out the tension as it pulls on the plant. And as you see, it did pretty well. It survived, and actually, I think it's getting a lot bigger. And it's interesting because I've never seen this before, and I pointed it out to a couple people who have had papaya plants also, and it looks like I may be having 2 points of growth with the papaya, both here and again up there. I don't know if you can see that one there, but yeah, it looks like another one possibly up there. So that's it, just some of my hurricane preparations. I'll see you around.